video I have discussed the basic concept of a ratio. In this video I am going to solve some questions related to the ratio. As you know, in maths, if you will solve the questions, then your concept will be very clear. So let's start the question. So question number 1. The question number 1 is the monthly salary. The monthly salary of a person is rupees 12,000 and his monthly expenditure is rupees 8,500. Find the ratio of his. Find the ratio of his. Number 1, salary to expenditure. Salary to expenditure. Clear? So first we will solve sub part 1 and then we will solve the sub part 2. Clear? So now let's first see that what is given. Salary of a person is given. What is it? Rupees 12,000. So here we will write here salary. Salary is what? Rupees 12,000. Clear? Then monthly expenditure. Expenditure is what given here? Expenditure is given 8,500 and you have to find out ratio. Yes, ratio of salary to expenditure. Clear? So we can find out number 1. Clear? Salary to expenditure. So salary is 12,000 and expenditure is what? 8,500. Clear? So now cancel. 0, 0 cancel. Then what? This 0 also we can cancel. Now 5. So 5 ones are 5. 6, 7, 8. 5 sevens are 35. Clear? Then here 5 twos are 10 and then 5 fours are 20. Okay? So the answer will be what? 24:17. Okay? Now the next we have to find out expenditure to savings. So I am going to rub this one. Whatever data we require to solve the sub parts that I have written here. Okay? So second you have to find out expenditure to savings. Expenditure to savings. Clear? But here salary is given, expenditure is given, savings not given. So we will find out the savings. So how we will find out the savings? Clear? So this is the salary, this is the expenditure. We will subtract. So 12,000 minus what? Yes, 8,500. Clear? Salary means जो पर्सन का सैलरी हुआ, एक्सपेंडिचर मीन्स जो उसने खर्च किया, सेविंग जो उसने बचाया. तो सैलरी में से इफ वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट द खर्चा मीन्स एक्सपेंडिचर, वी विल गेट व्हाट? सेविंग्स. So same we will get here savings. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 10 minus 5, 5. Then here what? 11. 11 minus 8, 3. So 3,500. So saving is what here? 3,500. So expenditure is 8,500 and savings is what? 3,500. Now cancel. 0, 0 cancel. Now 5. 5 sevens are 35. 5 ones are 5. Then 5 sevens are 35. Clear? So now the answer will be what? Answer will be 17:7. Clear? Now the next sub part you have to find out is saving to salary. Clear? Sub part 3. Now sub part 3. Sub part 3 is savings to salary. Savings to salary. Clear? So savings is what? 3,500. And how we got 3,500? Once again I am doing that subtraction here. So this is what? This is the salary. And what is the expenditure? 8,500. So when we will subtract, we will get what? 3,500. So this is your savings. So savings is what here? Yes, I am going to write this one. Again savings is 3,500 divided by salary. Salary is what? 12,000. Now cancel it. 0, 0 cancel. So now 5 sevens are 35. 5 twos are 10. And then 5 fours are 20. So the answer will be what? 7:24. Clear? Now the next question is, in ratio you have to find out that what is given first. Clear? If you have to find the ratio between the salary to expenditure, means as a numerator you have to write salary and as a denominator you have to write the expenditure. Now the next question is, that's the strength of a class is 65. Okay? Then including including 30 girls. 30 girls. Find the ratio of the ratio of the number of, first one, what? Girls to boys. Okay. First you have to find girls to boys. And second you have to find boys to the whole class. Boys to the whole class. And third you have to find whole class to girls. Whole class to girls. Clear? So the strength of a class is what? 65 including 30 girls. So total number of students in a class is 65 and the number of girls is what? 30. So first what we will do? We will find out the number of boys. How we will find out the number of boys? We will subtract number of girls from the total number of students in the class. Clear? So number of, first we will find out what here? Yes, first we will find out the number of boys. So number of boys, and this will be equal to what? 65 minus 30. So 5 and 6 minus 3, 3. 35. Clear? So number of boys is what? 35. So now subpart 1. Subpart 1, girls to boys. Girls 30. Boys 35. Now, so 5 6 are 30. 5 7 are 35. So the answer is 6:7. Second subpart, what? Boys to the whole class. Boys is 35 and whole class is 65. Clear? So now cancel it. 5 7s are 35, 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. So the ratio is what? 7:13. And the third one. Clear? So the third one you have to find out. So third one you have to find out what? whole class to girls. To whole class is what here? Whole class is 65 and the girls is what? 30. So now 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So the answer will be what? 13:6. Clear? I think it is clear. Now do the next question. I hope you are enjoying this class. Yes, as I start writing the questions, you can start solving. Clear? And then you can match your answer, your process with me. Now, means with the process that I am doing here. Now, question number 3. The weekly expenses of a boy expenses of a boy have increased from from rupees 1500 to rupees 1500 to rupees what? 2000 to find the ratio of number 1 increase in expenses to original expenses. So first we will find out what? Increase in expenses. 1500 is original expense, 2250 is what? Increased expense. Clear? And increase in expense, this will be equal to what? This will be equal to, we can write 2250 minus 1500. Clear? So subtract it. 0, 5, 12 minus 5, 7. So 750. Clear? So increase in expense will be what? 750 divided by original expense is what? 1500. So 0, 0 cancel. Then 75 2s are. Clear? So it will be 1:2. The answer will be what? 1:2. Now the next sub part I'm going to find out. Let this data be here. Clear? Because from this data we can find out the original expense, the increased expense and the increase in expense. So sub part 2. Sub part 2 you have to, sub part 2 is what? Original expenses to increased expenses. Clear? Original expenses to what? Increased expenses. Clear? So original expense is what here? 1500. So 1500. And increased expense is what? 2250. Clear? So 0, 0 cancel. Then again 5 3s are 15, 0. And then 5 4s are 20. And then 5 5s are 25. Then again 15 2s are 30 and 15 3s are 45. So the answer will be what? 2:3. Okay? 2:3. Now let's solve the another one, the sub part 3. Okay? So now you are seeing how I am using this data. This subtraction I have done and I am using in all the sub parts. So in sub part 3, what we have to find out? Increased expenses to increase in expenses. Increased expenses to increase in expenses. Clear? So increased expenses, what is here? Increased expenses 2250. So we will write here 2250 and increase in expenses what? 750. So 0, 0 cancel. Then again what? 5 1s are 5 and 2 here. So 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. Then how many times? 3. And so the answer will be what? 3:1. Clear? So this is what? All 3 subparts of that question. Now let's do the another one. Clear? Next question. So now we don't need this data. So it's better to rub it so that we can get enough place. Now next, reduce to the lowest. Reduce to their lowest terms. Okay, this is the question. And many subparts are here. So one by one we will solve the subparts. So subpart 1. 1 hour 20 minutes is to what? 2 hours. Okay, this we have to find out. So we have to find the ratio between this and this. So first it's better to change it in the minutes. So 1 hour is equal to what? 60 minutes plus 20 minutes, and this is equal to what? 80 minutes. Clear? And 80 minutes, and here 2 hours. 2 hours means 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 2 hour is equal to what? 120 minutes. So we have to find the ratio between what? 80 and 120. So 0, 0 cancel. Then 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So the answer is what? 2:3. Clear? Now the next subpart. The next subpart question is 4 weeks and 49 days. Clear? Subpart 2, 4 weeks is to 49 days. Clear? Here we have to find out the ratio. So 4 weeks means what? 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 4 weeks is equal to what? 4 into 7? Yes, 28. So 28 days. And here 49 days. This ratio we have to reduce to the lowest term. So 28 divided by what? 49. Clear? So 28 49 means what? How many times? Yes, 7 4s are and 7 7s are 49. So the answer will be what? 4:7. Clear? Now the next question is the next subpart. So the next subpart is 3 years 4 months. 3 years 4 months is to what? 5 years 5 months. 5 years 5 months. So 3 years 4 months. 3 years. 1 year is equal to what? 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 3 years is equal to what? 36. So 36 plus 4 is to 5 years. 1 year. Again 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 5 years is equal to, yes, 60. So 60 plus 5 means what? 36 plus 4 is 40 divided by 65. Now find out the ratio. So 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. So the answer will be what? 8:13. Clear? Now the next question is the next subparts. I hope all the subparts and all the sums that I am doing it here is clear to you. So the next is 2 meter. 2 meter 40 centimeter is to 1 meter 44 centimeter. Now find out. So again what we will do? We will convert meter into centimeter. Yes, very easy. Yes. So do it. 2 meter means what? 200 centimeter plus 40 is equal to 1 meter means 100 centimeter plus 44. Means we have to find the ratio between what? 200 plus 40 is equal to 240 divided by 144. Clear? So what? 12 12 twos are 24, 0, and 12 12s are 144. Because 144 is the square of what? 12. Yes, sir. Clear? Now, here 2 10s are 2 6s are. Then 2 5s are 2 3s are. So, the answer will be what? 5 is to 3. Clear? Now, the next sub part. You are getting here that all these subparts are what? Different. Yes, different from each other. Okay? So that is why I have taken these. So that all types of questions you can solve. So now you have to find the ratio between this 2 kg 750 gram. Again, what we will do? We will convert kg into gram. So 1 kg is equal to what? 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So what here? 5 kg. 5 kg means what? 5000 gram. And this 500 gram we will add again 2 kg means 2000 gram plus what? 750. Clear? So 5500 we can write here directly 5500 and divided by what? 2750. So now 0 0 cancel again. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 and 0, and here 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. Very easy numbers we have got here. 11 ones are 11 and 0, and 11 5s are 55. Again 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. So the answer will be what? 2 is to 1. Okay. Clear? So now you can convert. All the conversions are here. So you have to convert it, and you know it is very easy to convert. Clear? I have explained the method also. Now the next question. The next question is, two numbers are in the ratio. Two numbers are in the ratio 9 is to 2. If the smaller number is 320, find the larger. Find the larger. Now, in this type of question I have solved in the previous video, and I have explained you also that in this type of question whatever we have to find out, that we keep it as a what? Numerator. So what we have to find out here? We have to find out larger number. Clear? We have to find out what? Larger number. So this we will keep it as a what? This we will keep it as a numerator. So larger number is what here? 9. So 9 by 2 into 320. Clear? So again 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, and then 0. Okay? And then 9 multiply 9 into 16. So 9 0 0. 9 6 are 54, 4 5 here. Then 9 ones are 9 and 5. Yes, 14. Clear? So if the smaller number is 320, find the larger number. The larger number will be what? 1440. Clear? Now let's do the. So this much is only for this video. In next video I'll solve more questions related to the ratio. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you very much.